Hey everybody, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Attic Addicts. I am Michelle Ray Smith. I am your host, and this is my fabulous attic, the inspiration of this channel about thrifting, about saving money, about garage selling. And I just did a review on a product actually that cleans shoes. So if you're interested in anything having to do with thrifting, saving money, learning about, preparing things to be sold at Mercari or eBay or wherever it is you might be selling, then subscribe, because it's so fun. And sometimes we get out of the closet here and I get out of the attic and we actually go out and do some pretty fun stuff. So like and subscribe. All right, guys, so I am here today to talk to you about my sales for October 30th and 31st. They were not so hot, but I did sell a couple interesting things that I'd like to talk to you about because I think, I don't know, you'd be interested in it. So, Halloween weekend was kind of a pooper for me. But I know when I say that, I just can tell something's going to pop up. It's just like the weirdest thing. I sold a pair of Lucky jeans. I'm going to start there. I sold a pair of Lucky jeans, 32 by 32 men's. They are just a classic straight leg. I love Lucky. They're one of my favorite brands to keep in my closet. It's a good bread and butter brand. And I bought them for $7.99 from my local thrift store. And I ended up selling them for $28. And the profit I made on that was $14.41 after Poshmark. And they were in my closet for probably about 3 months. So not too bad. Men's jeans, it's really about the size. I find 32, 32s, 30, 30s, getting into those kinds of sizes, they work really well for me. But then again, I always say, stock your closet with a variety of sizes and find out what works best for you. So, it's kind of like we all have our own audiences in a way. That's just pretty much how it is. So my first sale on Saturday, the 30th, was just a great basic pair of men's Lucky jeans. Want to get to the fun stuff? Okay. Check out these amazing boots. And I know I'm going to slaughter her name, so you'll have to forgive me. Garen Ford, she created these boots called the Edie platform boots. Now, I've got a story about this. So I walked into my local thrift store, my family thrift store, and I run straight like a bullet over to the shoes because I love selling shoes. Shoes. Make a note, mental note. Shoes. In particular, I'm really digging boots right now because where I live over here, it's going to be boot season, like tomorrow. So I picked these up 5 months ago, and I remember seeing them in the bottom of the, thing, and I grabbed the heel of it and I pulled it up and I looked at it and I had no idea what this was. I had no idea what this shoe was. And I just thought, ooh, it's just this amazing color and it's so soft and supple. And I could tell by the shape of the heel that it was just expensive. And I grabbed them and I went over in the corner and, I got out my phone and I was looking around, to see what it was. And it turns out originally brand new, $550. And apparently it said last year on Mercari, they were the #1 selling platform boots. So as you can imagine, for $9.99, I was psyched. So yeah, the Garen Ford Edie platform boots, I got them at my local thrift shop. I bought them for $9.99. They were in my closet for 5 months. I sold them for $80. I had a profit of $52.51 after paying Poshmark. And I have to tell you, that feels so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, you get bit by the bug. You just get bit by the bug. And some of you guys are watching this and going, I totally know what you mean. So, alrighty. The final thing that I sold this weekend that just passed, it was Halloween weekend, was actually a beautiful, beautiful blazer, you guys. Wait till you see this blazer. Okay, so I found at my local family thrift store this gorgeous, gorgeous Laundry by Shelly Segal crushed silk and velvet turquoise blazer with this most amazing detail like down the front and on the edging, and just the color. It was fabulous, and I grabbed it. I got it for $5. And the reason I liked it was because it had that sort of like hippie, free people sort of vibe, but it was also a little bit more finished. It's a little bit more polished. So you could wear it with slacks to work as well as jeans and a sexy pair of boots. So anyway, Shelly Segal is a great brand. It's also kind of like, for me, sort of like a Talbot's. You can find it at Macy's and Nordstrom's. So it was in my closet for only about a week, this blazer. And it's blue crushed velvet, like I said. It was a size 10, and I sold it for $32. I bought it for $5, and my profit was $19.01 on that one. So my 2 days of the holiday Halloween weekend was fairly productive. I net about $85 for a couple of days, but I have to tell you, that's pretty much passive income for me because I was busy with my son and I was busy with Halloween. And so that's just one of the great things about doing this. You can step away once in a while and have a life. So yes, remember that. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I sold over the 30 and 31 Halloween. I sure did have fun explaining everything to you and showing you guys what I got and why I like to buy certain brands. So if you want to hear more, please like and subscribe. And as always, guys, I am so grateful for you joining me here today. And let me know, have you guys ever heard of Garen Ford? I was just curious. If you have, put it in the link below. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Peace out. Thanks again.